This is a 2-mark question asked in GATE 2020 of Instrumentations. This is from Control System subjects and from Time Response Analysis chapter. The given question is the system shown in figure A has a time response yt to an input r of t equal to 10 ut as shown in figure B, where ut is the step input. Both k and tau are positive. The gain k of the system is how much? Okay. So basically this block diagram which is given, so this is, they are telling it is figure A and this they are calling it is figure B. So if the input is 10 ut, then this is the output waveform they have given. So we need to find the value of gain k, provided k and tau both are positive. Okay. So the transfer functions, that is y of s by r of s is given by, so this is the standard unity negative feedback systems, g by 1 plus g, right? So if you know the, directly you can write it, otherwise it will be like this. So it is k by tau s plus 1, okay, this is g by 1 plus g, k by tau s plus 1, okay. If I multiply tau s plus 1 in both numerator and denominator, so this happens to be k by tau s plus 1 plus k. Directly you can write this, like simply you have to add this one here if it is negative feedback systems. So this is what the closed loop transfer function is, okay. So what is y of s? Y of s is equals to k by tau s plus 1 plus k, this into r of s. What is r of s? R of s is the Laplace transform of this input 10 ut. So this equals to k by tau s plus 1 plus k multiplied by 10 by s. So this is what the y of s is. But we need to find this yt. So here from this waveform it is very clear that y of infinity is nothing but equals to 8. The steady state value of response is 8. Now by final value theorems, limit s tends to 0, s into y of s should be equals to 8, right? Because this information is equivalent to this information based on final value theorems. So this implies limit s tends to 0, s into y of s. So s, and this is the y of s, k by tau s plus 1 plus k, okay, into 10 by s. This should be equated to 8, and by simplifying this we should get the value of k. So this s and this s being cancelled out, this tau s becomes 0, right, because s equal to 0. So this implies, like the rest of things are constant, there is no s terms. I can say 10k divided by k plus 1 is equals to 8. 10k divided by k plus 1 equals to 8. So this implies 10k is equals to 8k plus 8. So 10 minus 8k is 2k. 2k equals to 8. This implies k equals to 4. Right? So we are getting the value of k equals to 4. So this is again a very simple problems. So even this much of intermediate step you don't need to do. If some of you are good in basics, directly you can write these equations. Directly someone can write these equations, and by solving this we are getting the k equals to 4. So hardly this 30-40 second job this problem is. It's a very easy problem. So answer of this question is 4.